Hi friends, this is your Dr. BP alias Dr. Bapuji Pullepu. Till now we deals 2 tutorials. This is the final tutorial in multiple integral unit, first unit according to our syllabus. So this we completed means what? Almost we complete all tutorials in first unit. The first unit problem still I have not attempted. I also do that before examinations. Up to that you can have this. This is the first problem is evaluate integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 0 to 2 cos theta r square dr d theta. Now you see here actually now what we have here in terms of theta means what I told with respect to r you can do this is actually nothing but the r limits. R is running from 0 to 2 cos theta. R in terms of theta if you see means what with respect to r you can do integrate. This is the first problem. Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 r cube by 3 0 to 2 cos theta d theta. So this is what you will get. Pi by 2 to pi by 2 2 cube cos cube theta, that is 8 by 3 cos cube theta d theta. We have integration one formula already you studied in minus a to a f of x dx. If f is even function I can write 2 into 0 to a, correct or not? 2 into 0 to a f dx. If it is odd means what? The whole integral become vanish. Whole integral vanish. Correct or not? Now suppose change theta by minus theta, there is no change, so this is even function. This how can I write actually? 2 into 8 by 3 0 to pi by 2 cos cube theta d theta. This is already a old formula. Already I given 0 to pi by 2 8 cos power n theta or sin power n theta, right? Denominator the power is there, what that you can start with the denominator 2 you can decrease, numerator you can start 1 less than 1, make it less than 1, right? Even power means finally you can multiply by pi by 2, but it is not even power, so how can I write this? 16 by 3, start with 3 1, don't go for negative values, don't write the 0 also. Then numerator will write 2, correct or not? So that's it. That is what 32 by 9. Any problem? This is the first problem. Then we go for the second problem. Any problem? So with respect to r cube, here is what? Using this formula, cos cube means what? Start with 3, reduce 1, then numerator 2, stop, then even power means finally can write pi by 2. Already I given tutorial 1 and 2 formulas, just you can check if you have any doubt. Clear? Yes. Then we can go for the next problem. See second problem. What is second problem? Yes, this is also very good problem. Zero to pi by 2, 0 to infinite r dr d theta by r square plus a square whole square. Yes. Now you see, anyway this is in polar coordinate, this is always theta limit, this is r limit, so r is running from this with respect. This is what actually in integration you can remember always 3 formulas. So maximum 90% of substitution we can escape. So what is the formulas means what? Integral of f dash x f power n. So this you can write function power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Let's see. Suppose sine power 7x cos x. Sine is function, its power is 7. Its derivative is what? Cos x. So what we get directly, you can write sine power 8 plus c. Then another formula, f dash x by f of x. Function in denominator, its derivative in numerator means you can write log of f of x. But suppose if you see cos x, suppose if you take a sin x is a function, its derivative is what? Cos x. So function its derivative, so you can write log sin x. But if you see cos by sin, who is the cos by sin? Nothing but cot. Cot x integration is what? Log sin x. Proved. How nicely we got, you see. Similarly, another formula, f dash x root of f of x. Under root function inside the root, then its derivative means what? You can write 2 root f of x plus c. Suppose for this example, if you want, means what? Integral of x root of x square plus 1. If we take function as x square plus 1, its derivative is what? 2x. So if there is no 2, you can multiply by 2, divide by 2. We have no right to change the problem, but we can do the magic in mathematics. Dx. So function its derivative. So how can I write nicely? 1 by 2 root of. So these formulas are very, very important. If you remember these three formulas, 90% of substitution we can escape. Getting on it. Now we go for what? 0 to pi by 2, 0 to infinity. Now we can see who is the function here. R square plus a square is function. Its power 2. If you bring this one, power minus 2. So this comes under this formula. Getting on it. So if you write means derivative means what? Multiply by 2, divide by 2. 0 to pi by 2, 1 by 2, 0 to infinity, 2r dr d theta by r square plus a square whole square. Now one thing you can remember, integration, suppose 1 by x power 7 dx means what? Right minus 1, decrease 1 to both sides. You can write, this is the formula. Differentiation means what? The same power you can write. So this is what r square means, what you will get? 0 to pi by 2, 1 by 2. Then function its power minus 2. So minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2. So what you will get? Minus 1 by r square plus a square whole power. Correct or not? Then limit is running from where to where? 0 to infinity d theta. Shall I remove that formulas? Okay. Now you see, now if you apply the limit is what? Or if you, this is what with respect to infinity plus anything is equal to infinity, 1 by infinity is 0. So upper limit is what? 0. This if you want you can take minus 1 by 2 also outside. 0 to pi by 2. Upper limit is what? 0 minus lower limit. Lower limit in r place if you substitute means what? 0 plus a square is equal to a square. So already minus I have taken outside. 1 by a square, this is what? D theta. This 1 by a square also constant, take outside. So already minus is there, minus minus plus 1 by 2a square, 0 to pi by 2 d theta. Now with respect to theta, if you do means what will get? 1 by 2a square theta, 0 to pi by 2. So this is what, here lower limit vanish, upper limit only stands, then who will come? 5/2, 1/2. This is the second problem. Any problem? Okay, we do the third problem also. Yes, change to polar coordinates. Nice question. So in this, what is very important, remember the three formulas, then cos power n theta 0 to pi/2, 0 to pi/2 sin n theta, you can remember. Third question, changing into polar coordinates. Change into polar coordinates. If you want to change Cartesian coordinates to polar coordinates, some substitutions you can follow. Put x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, then dx dy become r dr d theta. So standardly you can remember these all. Getting or not? Once if you know, this is what, this is x means what, first with rest these limits you can take x limits, because I don't know both are infinite limits. This is y you can take. Now you can write slowly. My x is running from where to where? X is 0 to infinity, y also 0 to infinity. Now x is 0 to infinity means what? This whole domain I am traveling. Correct or not? Negative now. So similarly, y is equal to 0 to infinity is what? This upper. So common area is what? This is the common area. Correct or not? Now my x is 0 to infinity, y is 0 to combination of these two combination is what? First quadrant. Correct or not? Now write polar coordinates means what? You can take one radial vector. This is my r is running with what? Up to 0 to infinity. My theta is running from what? First coordinate is what? Theta is equal to what? Now r is running from where to where? 0 to infinity. Theta is running from what? 0 to pi/2. Slowly you can change everything. So outside limits are constant, 0 to pi/2. This is 0 to infinity. This is r. If you want, you can write r is equal to, you don't confuse. Then e power minus x square plus y square means what? R square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. So this fellow become e to the power of minus r square. Then dx dy is what? R dx dy. Now change, just they are asked what? Change into polar coordinates. Suppose if they asked to solve means what we will put? R square is equal to t, 2r dr is equal to dt. Limits you can change, slowly you will get the answer. Any problem? So our question is what? Changing into polar coordinates. Then I will stop. This is my answer. Thank you for watching our channel. Kindly inform to all first year students, it may be useful. So we do the all syllabus. Soon we start the live stream. Continuously we take evening time. Particular time we fix one unit I will complete live stream also. Soon we start for 10th to +2 level also live stream. We are coming slowly, we stepping into one by one. Kindly subscribe and inform to your all friends. Bye. Thank you for watching our channel.